Rockville, Vernon. Actually, this is the Talcottville section. Is flooded. Goffland is flooded. Just make a good Facebook Live post, huh?